Hi friends, welcome back to the Project Return online classroom. I'm Miss Celia and today we are making DIY journals. You're going to need 6 to 8 pieces of printer paper, scissors and a stapler, cardstock or construction paper, and then whatever else you would like to decorate. I'm using watercolor markers and stencils, highlighters, and you'll also need a glue stick and a pen. Our first step is going to be folding each paper in half, hamburger style, and you want to make sure you do these individually so they get a nice crisp fold right down the middle. Once all of our papers are folded, we are going to go ahead and stack them all together so that those folds in the middle all align. And then once all of these are put together, you're going to want to stack them so they all fit together nice and tightly. And we're going to want to put some staples in at that crack in the center. You're going to want to make sure your staples align perfectly with that fold in the middle. Next, we're just going to go ahead and put a cover on the front and back page of our journal. Go ahead and use your glue stick, get a nice layer of glue all over that front page, and stick your cardstock or construction paper directly on top of it. As you can see, I didn't align it correctly the first time. It's okay, we make mistakes. Go ahead and just try it again. You're going to want to do it on the back and the front as well to make sure that your journal is completely protected. And I didn't mention it as materials in the beginning of the video, but another thing that you can do to make this more sturdy would be to put some duct tape along the spine of your journal. This will ensure that all of your pages stay stuck together, and even if your glue starts to split a little bit, your covers won't go anywhere. And now all that's left to do really is to decorate it. You can make your journal however you want it to be. A journal is something that is extremely personal, so make it something that you would want to use. I'm cutting out a little piece of construction paper and I'm going to be writing my name on the front so nobody else can touch it. Everybody's going to know that it's my journal. I'm also going to add some flowers on the back, as you'll see later in the video. And you can really just make this however you want to make it. There are no guidelines. Another way that I like to personalize my journal is adding page numbers to them. I just put mine down in the middle on the bottom of the page, but other people put them directly on the side of the page or even in the top right corner. This is really up to your personal discretion, wherever you feel like it'll look good. I just like putting mine here. Page numbers are a great way to keep track of how many pages you've used and how many are left, so you know that you need to go ahead and either add some more pages to your journal or just make a whole new one. Once your journal is complete, it is time to use it. You can use it as a diary, as a planner, as a habit tracker, or any of the other ways that I talked about in my last journaling video. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY with things that you could use from around your house, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!